Hi there, and welcome to 10.6 Consulting. Today we're going to take a look at the resource usage profile in Primavera P6.
Once you've resource loaded your schedule, there are a number of ways to see your resource assignments and display your labor and material requirements over time. We'll start with the options available in the Activities view. On the main horizontal toolbar at the top of the screen, there is a tool group called Bottom Layout. Up to this point, we've been using the Activity Details option to display the Activity Details tabs. However, once we have our resources assigned, we can utilize some other very interesting displays. There are two options in particular that provide an excellent view of resource usage. Let's take a look at the resource usage profile. If you prefer graphical representations of data, then this will be a good option to use. Let's return to the Bottom Layout tool group and select the Resource Usage Profile button. This changes the bottom layout into a two-segment window. On the left is a list of resources. On the right is a histogram that shows usage for the selected resource. The histogram bars represent the usage for the periods as set in the timescale. If the timescale is set to month-week, as it is here, then the bars will show weekly usage. The limit line in the graph area indicates the overall availability of resources. For example, the max units time setting for our electrician is 16 hours per day. In the chart, we see the limit line for the electrician averaging around 80 hours per week. Now let's right-click on the timescale of the Gantt chart and change the timescale to year-month. Now we can see the limit line is set to around 320 hours per month, and the histogram bars are displaying the usage for the entire month. If a resource assignment exceeds its availability, it appears as a red bar above the limit line. Adjustments to the resource usage profile can be made by right-clicking on the graph area and choosing Resource Usage Profile options. The resulting dialog gives you a variety of data and graph options to change the tool's behavior and display properties. To return the bottom layout to the standard tabs view, click on the Details button in the Bottom Layout tool group.
If you'd like to learn more about Primavera P6, then 10.6 offers some great online training courses. These courses are written by industry experts and offer you all the skills you need to get up and running as a P6 scheduler. For more information, visit our website at 10.6.com for full details on how to get started.